As the number of constellations is decreasing, the number of satellites going into orbit is dramatically increasing. We also see that the requirements on space within the spacecraft are becoming much more stringent. This is why we have many solutions that allow you to compact and densify your interconnectivity solutions to very, very small sizes. For example, we offer connectivity at the microreads, a dimension level, in the form of hybrid connectivity that combines both RF and DC connectivity in a single connector, giving you much more flexibility in making your payloads, your PCDs, your MMICs much smaller and much more efficient in their integration. From a customer demand perspective, we identified certain needs that we quickly responded to with new product designs. For example, the SMP-lock connector. This is an SMP style connector that allows you to create a solid and ruggedized connection from, say, a PCB or a surface mount to a cable connection. With a single push-on motion and a click, and the locking of the shroud over the connector, you rigidly and robustly lock this connector ready for launch with a very, very simple way of creating this secure matrix. Mini250H is a relatively new product of ours that combines both the bend-to-the-end technology of HUBER+SUHNER and with a large diameter cable which enables you to go with very long runs, even on the exterior of your spacecraft, at minimum loss. The space industry is in a radical transformation these days, and we at HUBER+SUHNER, we recognize that our customers that are looking for connectivity on spacecraft, on launchers, on satellites, they're looking for cross-technological solutions. So while we have many decades of heritage with our coaxial connections, board-to-board connections, cable connections between avionic modules and so forth, we are also introducing our photonic solutions that are expanding the applicability of our product set, of our solutions engineering capabilities into this cross-technology picture. A really contemporary trend is to use fiber optics on spacecraft to improve the data rates and in general the capacity, the capabilities of modern-day spacecraft. We live up to this trend by offering these flexible so-called optical shuffleboards that allow you to connect fiber optically photonic payloads in a very flexible manner and minimizing the integration time during AIT.